Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to set up and use LinkTree. So let's take a look how to do that. Do you want to make all your social network in one place and let your audience come in that link, and they're going to see all your influencer, all your social network available, and they can simply go where they want to follow you or add you. There is a website name is LinkTree. You can see this is the website linktr.ee. Within this website you can simply you can see this is the preview how it's going to be looks like. For example, here will be your profile, and here you're going to bio, and all your social network going to be appear here, and simply all of your visitor, if they want to follow you in Facebook or follow you in Twitter or subscribe your YouTube channel, all they going to see here. For example, let me try here sign up for free, and then it's going to be give you a skin just like this. Here it's saying to type your email, so I'm going to type my email, and it's saying to type a username. So I'm going to type a username, the username you want. So I'm going to type here my TIPS tips and trick, and then I'm going to type here the password. It's already exit, so I'm going to type here 11, and now it's saying to type the password. So I'm going to type here my password, and then I'm going to click here by creating an account you are agreed to our terms and conditions. So I'm going to click here sign up with email, and then we're going to see a skin appear just like this. Here is saying to tell us your full name, so I'm going to type here my full name here, and then it's saying to choose tell us yourself 3 category. You can simply choose any of 3 category. I'm going to choose here influencer and education, and then I'm going to choose here creative, and then I'm going to click here I am not robot, and then I'm going to click here continue. And after that, this is going to give you option to do you like to choose the free or pro version. I'll go definitely with the free version, as I need all I'm getting here, and this is the pro version. It is really a very useful website. You can use pro version to collect your payment, email, phone number directly from your LinkTree and etc. things. So I'm just going to with the free version, and I'm going to click here sign up for free. And then let me see what it's saying. Thank you for sign up. It's saying to verify your account, click on the link to send you inbox. So you have to open your email account, and then you inside email account you're going to see a skin appear saying to verify your email. So I'm going to click here verify my email, and then later on I can successfully use this website. So I'm going to click here, you can see your account has been verified. Now I'm going to click here continue, and then it's saying to I have successfully signed up with LinkTree. Now here's the things, if you want to use a new link, for example, you're going to see the preview in the right side. This is how it's going to be looks like. For example, it's saying to add new link, so I'm going to click this plus icon and add new link, and it's saying to type here title. For example, I'm going to type here like follow. I'm going to type here follow me on Twitter, and then it's saying to type the URL. So I'm going to click here this plus icon, pen icon, and then you can see this is my Twitter account. So I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to paste it here, and then here's the many things you can definitely play around with it. Just I'm just keep as it is, and I'm just my mouse I'm keeping anywhere, and the right side you're going to see the preview. Whatever you write here, follow me on Twitter, is going to type here follow me on Twitter, and then if you click, it's going to pop up your Twitter. Let me go here, type add new link, and now it's saying to type the title. Again same thing. So for here I'm going to type here follow me on Facebook, and then I'm going to type here Facebook, and then it's saying to type the URL. So I'm going to open my Facebook account, and this is my Facebook page. So I just copy it, and then I'm going to paste it over here. So I'm just paste it over here, and I'm just paste my mouse anywhere, and you can see in the right side that's going to be show the preview. Now for example, let me add a new link, and then I would like to type here like subscribe my YouTube, and then I'm click here plus icon, and I'm copy my this YouTube link, and then I'm going to paste it here. Now you can see the three links is appear with a beautiful way. If you decide to, for example, I would like to bring the Facebook in the top, you can simply hold it and drag over there, or if you decide to bring the YouTube under, you can easily customize it. If you decide to delete any of them, simply just click this delete icon to delete it, or if you decide to add new link, just simply click here add new link. Now let me go here appearances, and let me see what's available here in appearances. Appearances saying to pick up an image. You can click here to upload any picture you want, your profile picture, and if you click here upload your own image, and then it's going to be appear this screen. You can simply click here select file to upload, and then you can set your, but I'm not going to upload any picture. Now it's saying to profile title. For example, I'm going to type here tips and trick, and then here's it's saying to bio. You can type here whatever you want. For example, I'm going to type here follow my all social network, and then you can see in the right side it's all going to be show you the preview. Let me scroll down. Also you can choose the theme. There is some theme is for pro user and maximum theme. Also there is many themes is for basic or free user. For example, if you click this, you can see this is going to in the right side preview how it's going to be looks like. For example, if you want to choose this this theme, you can simply choose it. One thing's more, if you go here setting, also there is a more special features. Here you can see in down we're going to find here something say social link. Here you can simply type a link, and all those going to be appear with the icon in this button. For example, I would like to add my Facebook. Here you can see Facebook page URL. So I'm going to copy my Facebook page URL, and then I'm going to paste it here. And after paste it here, if I click here, we're going to see here in this profile there is a Facebook icon. For example, I would like to add my Twitter. So in Twitter you need to just type this username, the last one. So you have to go over there and then type here add, and you can type your username. And same Instagram or YouTube. Let me go here, copy my YouTube link and paste it over here. Now you can see in the right side all those things is going to appear just like this with my profile picture, my name, my bio, my all social network, and also under there is a little cute way, there is some all you icons is appear. Let me copy this. So you might be wondering how you will share. You have to just copy this link. So for example, I'm just copy this link, and then I'm going to use the guest browser for you to understand. Let me paste it here, and then you're going to see how it's going to be look like. For example, if someone click here follow me on Facebook, it will directly take to in my Facebook account. If someone click under this icon below, for example, if I click here this YouTube icon, and that will take me in my YouTube account. So this is really very useful website where you can all your social link to put in one place. So within this website you can definitely make your all social link with a nice or stylish way. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.